I'm Dr. John Ross, founder and president of Maintenance Innovators Incorporated, inviting you to join me for a very engaging discussion on the best practices in maintenance and reliability. I'll be offering this through the University of Wisconsin and their interdisciplinary professional program as part of the College of Engineering. Look, this is not your grandfather's best practice course, not by a long shot. I developed this program in 2020 and have had the great fortune of teaching it all over the world in just about every industry that you can think of. We're going to walk through the best practices as identified in the body of knowledge by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. And here's what we're going to discover. We're going to discover if it's applicable to you. We're going to discover if it's relevant to what you're doing. And if so, we're going to figure out how to actually make that happen. Again, I want to invite you to join me. Best practices in maintenance and reliability. I look forward to seeing you.